We drove through 3 states, Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan, to get to our campsite. It took about 2 hours. The first thing we had to do was set up our tents. Tessa knew exactly what to do. We set up our tent by ourselves. We brought 2 sleds. We were really looking forward to sledding down the big sand dune. The first thing we had to do was make a groove in the sand, so I pulled Tessa down the hill. Tessa and I tried to sled down the sand dune, but we only went a few feet. So we made Tessa go all the way to the top of the hill to sled down. It was much steeper at the top, so she was able to slide down some of the hill. On our last trip here, we had a different sled, and it worked much better. We also remembered how much fun we had in the water, but what the heck, we're here. Why not check out the beach? Tessa decided to sit down in the water. I'm not sure that's such a good idea. We had fun playing volleyball in the water.
Okay, we're filming. Anytime you want to do whatever you want to do. Go out here where it's a little deeper.
I know, that's where we're going. I have not got this part wet yet. It is cold, guys. It is cold. Lift one of your foot. If you lift one of your feet, it's warm.
What does that mean?
It's warm. It is if you're really cold. Why don't you and me go jump? Okay, ready? You promise you'll give us the best night of our lives and you'll make a video about it?
I will make a video. I don't know how to make your best night of your lives. You're going to have to do that for you. For yourself.
Okay, ready? If you put this in the video, you gotta like shorten it a lot. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You did it. Nice job. Run. Okay, ready? Yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2. That is the freeziest water I've ever felt in my whole life. Let's do it one more time together, okay? 3, 2, 1. Oh god, look at my eyes wet. Oh ready? My gosh. Ready, Buzz? You are making a video. 3, ready? 3, okay. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, 59-degree water and the kid jumped in. The towel is over there.
Papa, family moment. I'm going to do it one more time. Okay? A little further. Thank you, Michigan.
I know it doesn't look long in this video, but we were in the water for at least 30 minutes. We bought some firewood at a roadside stand, and we also found more firewood at 2 campsites. For supper, we roasted hot dogs over an open fire. I just about ate all the pickles before anyone else had a chance to put them on their hot dogs. Tessa and I had to teach Fafa how to make a perfect s'more. Fafa brought the marshmallows and we brought the chocolate and graham crackers. It's all about roasting the marshmallow just right. We didn't want to bother Fafa while he was doing the dishes, so we played volleyball and ate Grandma's chocolate chip cookies. Tessa and I like to play a game, Smoking with Sticks. We light a stick on fire and blow it out to see how much smoke it can make. I found a one-of-a-kind twirly stick in the woods. I always want the right amount of damp in my hair and still look good, even when I'm getting ready for bed. So I bring my spray bottle when I travel, even camping. For breakfast the next morning, we had bacon, scrambled eggs, and blueberry jelly toast. Woo! That's cool. That's really cool. Is it going to stay like that for a long time?
Put the water in the pan so that it boils and cleans the pan. A few more pieces of bacon.
Oh, so we're going to make more bacon?
Use your stick. You got a stick on the other side there.
There you go.
Good. Heat up our water.
Look at the stick, guys. It's amazing. It's crazy.
Now, if that starts flying up, make sure you push it in with the big stick.
Ooh, I almost fell back. Okay guys, so this is our campsite. It's looking pretty good. We're just about to pack it up because it is the end of our trip. I already went to Lake Michigan. It was very fun. So look at our tents. This is me and Tessa's tent, this one. And Fafa's tent is this one. And here is our vehicle, the Tesla. It was very hard to fit everything in. Here we have Tessa in our beautiful tent. Do you mind if you take a little tour, Tessa? Come in. Okay, I will come in. I just gotta take off my shoes. Gotta open up the door. Oh, Tessa, where did you shut the door? Found it. It was like perfume. Did you spray your stuff in here? This is our campsite. It was very, very helpful, and this is our tent, me and Tessa's tent, as well as in Tessa's tent. It's actually my tent, but he stayed in here. So just to be clear, that's Tessa, and this is me. Hi. But we have a very nice setup. Look at all of our lights. No getting scared of the dark in the middle of the night.
We did get cold.
We got very cold, but we just smushed together and that solved all the problems.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
My hips hurt since I was on the side.
You took up all the space. But our shoes, our everything.
We have to take our shoes inside because There were raccoons.
Well, they were right here, and like my feet were right there, and then it just it's not good.
Yeah, and we also learned different languages with Duolingo in here. It's like a little house.
Let's show them a game of Spot It.
Oh yes, we shall show them a game of Spot It. 3, 2, 1, go. Bomb.
Mine, folks. Mine.
Clock.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to have some dirty pots and pans. So if you could run over to the ranger station over there, pick me up a couple of garbage bags I can wrap my dirty pans in and clean without getting them completely clean.
We're videoing ourselves and Spot It. I'll go with you. Okay, thank you guys. Wait, let's wait after this one. No, this one. Come on, no, this one. That one's big. No, well, this is fine. 3,